Hey everyone, it is Kim from the Price Action Traders Institute, and it is Wednesday, July 31st, the last day of the month. We are about to take a look at the FOMC interest rate announcement in a few minutes. So we are going to record a live Trading Red News segment for you today, and hopefully we'll get some good trading opportunities and be able to show you how we trade red news. Before we go out to the charts though, I want to just briefly talk about the risk. Remember, trading is a very risky venture, whether you trade Forex like we do, or you trade options or stocks or commodities or futures. Anything that you make a market in, even Bitcoin, is very risky, and there's never any guarantees or promises that you will achieve the level of success as someone else. All right, so everyone's level of success is different, and it's based on a lot of it. 95% of it is going to be based on your trader's mindset, your psychology. So let's go ahead and get out to the charts. All right, so we're just about a minute before this FOMC interest rate announcement comes out, and I want to just walk through quickly the four pairs that I look at when I'm trading FOMC. The first one is obviously the euro dollar. The next one I want to look at will be the Australian dollar, and then of course the dollar yen, which has been in this very tight 17 pip range from the Asian session last night through London and up through New York. And then finally the dollar CAD. So I'll keep my screen on the euro here, and we'll start with that. And I'll start recording once the news comes out. A few seconds out, and the spreads are starting to widen. So I'm not going to take any trades until I see those spreads click down. And right now, they're still pretty wide. Still not ready to take a trade. Spreads are moving. They're still moving. I'm going to go ahead and sell this right now. Quickly put that 8 pip stop in. I'm going to sell the Australian dollar also and put a 10 pip stop in. I don't even need to know what the news is doing. And then the dollar yen, I'm going to go ahead and buy. And put my 10 pip stop in for that too. All right, so I've got 3 trades open. I've got the euro, and actually I'm going to go ahead and put some targets in just to have them in place. I'll put this one down here at 1080. The Australian dollar, I'm going to go ahead and put this down here at 68.50. And then the dollar yen, I will put up here at, I'm going to move it all the way up here at 109.20. Just in case this thing takes off. And the dollar CAD, I didn't put a trade on, and I probably won't. I think 3 right now is good enough for me to go ahead and manage with you. All right, I'll be back with any updates. Quick update, the Australian dollar trade was taken out. I do have a re-entry down here. If I see the markets continue to push, I will keep that order in to sell. So I lost 10 pips on that trade. It hit my stop immediately, almost immediately. Euro dollar is still pushing down towards my target down here. And then the dollar yen, nice civil move. I like how this one's moving, not a lot of price swinging. What I'm going to do on the euro dollar though is I'm going to go ahead and lock in 10 pips. That will at least cover the loss I just had on the Australian dollar. And this one, I think I'll just leave, well, actually I'm going to move it up because I really don't want to lose any money on this either. So I'm going to lock in 4 pips right here. It's sucking back now, so that may hit my stop, just like the euro may too. I'll be back with an update. All right, so both these trades hit my protective stop. So euro dollar plus 10 and the dollar yen plus 4. All right, so I got back in these trades going the opposite direction, and you can see I am short. And because this closed back inside the range, I'm going to go ahead and exit this trade for 13 pips. And this trade, I'm out with 8. All right, so let's do a quick recap. All right, so the first trade that I sold was on the euro dollar, and I sold this for plus 10. My protective stop was hit. Then I bought this as price pushed down and started to suck back. I bought it, and that one I punched out of for plus 13, giving me plus 23 pips on the euro dollar. Now let's jump to the Australian dollar, because that was the second trade I took, and that one, if you recall, hit my full stop for minus 10, and I never re-entered that one. And then the last one was the dollar yen, and that one I had 2 winning trades on. This one hit my protective stop, the first trade, for plus 4, and then I got in going the reverse direction and jumped out with plus 8, and that gave me plus 12 on the dollar yen. So just a quick recap: euro dollar, 2 trades, plus 23. Australian dollar, a loser, and that was minus 10. And then lastly was the dollar yen. Whoops, wrong pen. Dollar yen, 2 trades for plus 12, for a grand total of plus 25. All right, so quick and easy, in and out, very fast trading actually on these moves, and they're continuing to move, but with these big spikes and suckbacks, I'm really not interested in getting in them any further. So I just want to say thank you for listening again to one of my live trading videos, Trading the Red News Live. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at info@priceactiontradersinstitute.com. Visit our website where you'll see all kinds of free stuff, priceactiontradersinstitute.com. You can also follow me on Twitter, and my handle is @PriceActionKim. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful evening or day if you're just starting it in another part of the world. And Kim Crumpus from the Price Action Traders Institute. Talk to you soon.